Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the new Nuna travel stroller. Let's get started. If you're a busy parent always on the go, you are going to love this compact, lightweight stroller featuring an incredibly easy fold, making it the ideal stroller for travel. We'll start off today by going over some of its features, starting with the canopy. The Nuna Travel's canopy is a UPF 50+ water repellent canopy and is removable. It even features a mesh peekaboo window to keep a close eye on your little one. The stroller also features a sleek luxe leatherette push bar and arm bar for long-lasting wear. Moving on to the buckle system. The travel includes Nuna's Magnatech Secure Snap magnetic buckle and a no rethread harness. If you are looking for a stroller that can handle every terrain, the travel provides all-wheel suspension as well as front-wheel swivel locks. Need a travel system? This stroller is compatible with all Nuna Pippa infant car seats without the need for any adapters. Simply attach the car seat to the arm bar for a secure fit and engage the infant car seat retention. It's also ultra lightweight. Without the canopy and arm bar, the travel weighs only 13.6 pounds, making it easy for travel. The most outstanding feature of the travel is its one-hand fold and unfold. To fold, slide the top button on the push bar and then push the bottom button on the back. The stroller will then self-fold and stand on its own. To unfold, place your dominant hand on the push bar. Then you just lift up the stroller and it will unfold in front of you. It also comes with a convenient travel bag to keep your stroller safe and unscuffed during those long journeys. If you're looking for a great, easy-to-use stroller, we recommend checking out the Nuna Travel. Thanks for watching. You can shop for the Nuna Travel in our store or online at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To see more of our amazing strollers, check out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below to let us know what you want to see next. We'll see you next time.